If you have been following my channel for a while, you have probably noticed something. Almost every animation tutorial I have posted uses these graphs in the background. But here's the thing, I have never actually stopped to explain what they are or why they matter. And that's a problem, because these graphs, they are the secret behind every smooth, natural looking animation that you have ever admired. There are two types you need to know, the speed graph and the value graph. Master these and your animations will never look robotic or stiff again. Today we are starting with the speed graph, and by the end of this video you'll wonder how you ever animated without it. So let's get into it. So first things first, where do you even find the speed graph in After Effects? So open up your graph editor in the timeline, the little graph icon right above your layers. Just click on it. This is where you'll find the speed graph. But before that, we need to create some sort of animation. Say here I am animating the position. At the beginning, I'm setting the position over here, and say after 1 second, I am setting the position somewhere over here, right? So you can see that this is getting animated from this point to this point. Now when you select this and open this graph editor, you will see this. By default it is set to value graph, so make sure that you have changed it to speed graph from this drop down menu. Now what are you actually looking at? The horizontal axis represents time and the vertical axis represents the speed. So when the curve is high, your element is moving fast, and when the curve is low or near zero, your element is moving slow or has stopped. Simple enough, right? But here's where most intermediate animators get stuck. They set 2 keyframes, hit play and call it done. And the result? Stiff, mechanical, unconvincing, just like this animation. You can see it's very stiff, it's very mechanical, and it doesn't follow the laws of physics. Alright, so let's actually get our hands dirty. I've got this simple position animation here, as you can see, and when I hit play it's very robotic, right? Now let me select both these keyframes and let's go to keyframe assistant and easy ease. The keyboard shortcut for this is F9. So after you easy ease, you can see that the speed graph, it has now formed a smooth bell shape, and when I hit play, immediately it already feels better, right? But here's what separates a good animator from a great one. You don't just accept what easy ease gives you, you customize it. So as you can see that this bell-shaped graph, it shows that at this point, at just the beginning, your speed is 0. Somewhere over here, your speed is about more than 2000 pixels per second, and over here it becomes 0 once again. So it attains a maxima somewhere over here, like this. Now as you click these 2 points, you'll see this curve handles over here, using which you can change the animations just as you like. For example, I want it to be fast at the very beginning, so at the very beginning it's like 2000, and I need it to be slow at the end. You can see it was very fast in the beginning, but it gradually becomes slow, like that. Say if I want to do the opposite, I just want it to be very quick at the end and very slow at the beginning. See, it was very slow and then gradually becomes faster, right? And of course, to make it more realistic, add motion blur to it. So now it will look sort of more realistic. If I want it to be slow somewhere here and slow at the end, but I want it to be really fast in between, I can just pull it like that. You can see that the peak, there's this peak at in the middle. Okay, it's more than 10,000 pixels per second. See, it was slow at the beginning. See, it was slow at the beginning. It attained its maximum speed somewhere over here, and then it becomes slow once again. So that's how you edit the speed graph in After Effects, and not just in position. You can do this with the scale, with the rotation, or anything that you desire. If this helped you, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And if you want to go deeper, the value graph video is coming next, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one.